Alright, a lot of people had questions about the door handles. I'm gonna just do like a rough dry. Show y'all what I did to get my lights on the door handles to work. Let's do a quick walk around. I ain't do nothing new, but I'll show y'all. Same thing, matte paint job. Police scanner. I might write a scanner on it. HIDs, fogs. You need to change them out. They kind of foggy now. It's the HIDs. Scanner. You can change colors. It's light outside, so you can't really see it. So these are door handles. Alright, so there's a hole up underneath here, right? You can't see it, but if y'all open up y'all door handles, you can see it. It's like a hole right there where that wire is going out. See it? So I pushed the hole. I pushed the wire through that hole right here and took off the whole door panel. Took off this whole door panel right here and ran the wire right here. I need to do a better job. I need to run it through here. But this the wire for the door, and I took this whole panel apart. I took this whole, I don't even know, this panel right here apart too. And what I did, I ran it all the way, a wire from here all the way across down here, and it connected to this wire. And then all you do is run another wire down here through the floorboard to the back door. Take the panel off, the same thing I did up front, and ran the wire for this door. And I did it for both sides. So you got the lights on all four. Which wasn't easy. I mean, it wasn't hard. It's pretty simple to do. And I think that's about it. I think that's about it. Shit back there. Got see, tack works too. Somebody asked me about that. I got most of my stuff off eBay too, guys. Got the American base. 15 changed out. I put a little sub. I don't know if y'all can see it. Put a little sub back here. It's like an 8. Changed out the regular speakers, 6x9s. I think it's 4-way. I think it might be 4-way. Took those out. Changed the doors out. I think that's about it. If y'all got any like questions or something, just let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. Somebody asked me about the cutouts, the electric cutouts. Now these are for like lowered cars because my car's been lowered. So if you got if your car has been lowered like mine, you might want to get, they call it DRLs or something like that, but it's the lower ones. You got them on both sides there. And it's electric, so you can cut them off and on whenever you need to, because the motherfuckers get loud. That's about it, man. If y'all got any questions, let me know.